I look so ugly. Oh my God, I have never looked so ugly in my life. Like, my birthday's coming and I'm just getting uglier by the day. Like, I really feel like I peaked at like 18. Like, I wish I could go back. It's literally all downhill. What the heck? Hi, guys. Welcome back. Yeah, as you can tell, I'm having a midlife crisis. Not really, but it's my birthday in a couple days on December 6th. It's gonna be my birthday. Get ready with me, 2020. Wait, 2019. I'm getting really ahead of myself. This year, I actually partnered up with Amika, one of my favorite hair care brands. If you've ever tried their masks, they're A1, okay? Cream of the crop moisturization masks for the hair. But yeah, they came out with this smooth operator kit for the holiday season, and kits are always great because you can try out like a variety of things from the brand, especially if you know you already like a brand or if you just want to explore more things from them. So inside we have the Polish Perfection 2.0 straightening brush, which is basically kind of like a straightener and a hairbrush in one. It like smooths out the hair, so we're gonna get that very sleek look today. It's cute little mini hair dryer, isn't it so cute? This is the mini ionic hair dryer. It has like a rose gold finish and it's so cute. So you have the Shield anti-humidity spray, the Perk Up dry shampoo, and then the Silken Up dry conditioner. Boom. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna do like very straight, sleek, chic kind of vibes today. And if you're wondering about the pricing, this whole set is $96, which is actually a really good deal because this itself, if you were to buy the straightening brush on its own, it's already $120. So you're actually getting the full set for less than the price of the brush. And it was recently marked down too. I know it was $120 to begin with, but after Thanksgiving, Sephora marked it down to $96. Honey. All right, so let's go ahead and get into this transformation because I need it. All right, so first and foremost, we're gonna go in with the Shield anti-humidity spray. So this you wanna actually go in before you heat style, and it adds almost like a protective layer to keep your hair giving that like smooth and sleek appearance. And then I am gonna use the good old Polished Perfection 2.0 straightening brush. I always personally like to section off my hair. I've seen people do it without sectioning it off, but I find it so much easier to work with my hair when it is in nice little sections. And we're gonna go straight in with the Polished Perfection 2.0 straightening brush, and you just wanna kind of like glide it through your hair. I would say about, you know, a 1 to 2 inch section depending on your hair type, and look how straight and sleek it makes it. It's actually a really cool product because it's so much quicker than a straightener because you're actually brushing it through, and it has this like eye red technology that helps to like keep the moisture in your hair and cause less damage. Yes, honey. And by the way, I'm using it on 350, like the heat setting 350. It does go up to 450, and obviously it depends like what your hair type is. And when you're using this, the actual like bristles aren't hot. It's just the plate underneath. So you don't have to worry too much about burning yourself. I mean, obviously still be careful because it's a heat tool, but I personally have not had any issues with it. Boom, that is our hair look done. Look at the shine, look at the sleekness, yes, and it only took like, I don't even know, maybe 6 minutes at most. Like, it's very quick and easy. If you have ever tried this, like, you know what I'm talking about, okay? You know what I'm trying to say. But I'm just gonna finish off the hair with the Silken Up dry conditioner. This is kind of like my finishing step because it just adds even more softness and shine before or between washes. And it actually protects against like damage and breakage and everything like that. If you have dry hair, I almost said if you have dry shampoo, but if you have dry hair, honey. But yeah, that is our finished hair look. So we're gonna move on to the face, and I'm just gonna clip my hair back. These clips are bomb because they're supposed to not like add any kinks to your hair. They just kind of get your hair out of the way. All right, I'm also gonna take off my sweatshirt because I feel like I'm getting really hot in here. The lights are like heating me up. Ugh. All right, so I'm gonna go in with my primer now, and this is the Dermalogica Hydrablur. Going right in the middle of the face. I love how this primer feels on my skin because it's like very smoothing, but it has something in it where it like releases hydration over time, which I feel like is, yes, like we like that. We like that. Whenever I use it, it makes like my concealer and stuff stay looking hydrated and not cakey throughout the day, which is obviously what we want. I'm so tired today, you guys. I have to like get my energy up, so I'm literally like trying to pound this espresso. All right, and then sides of the face, I go in with the Smashbox Primer Oil, another super, super, super OG product for me, but I love how glowy it makes my skin. For brows, you already know I'm using my e.l.f. Ultra Precise Brow Pencil in Neutral Brown, and then I'm just gonna clean them up with some concealer, and we're gonna go straight into priming the lids. Bye-bye. I feel like I get weirder by the day. So for eyeshadow, what I've been doing lately is kind of making the shape of like cat eye. I feel like it's very like Bella Hadid, very like model-esque Kendall Jenner situation, you know what I mean? Just like lifting up the outer corner. But I am gonna add just a little bit of warmth into the crease with Ginger, the shade Ginger from the ABH and Jackie Aina palette. I think this is one of the best palettes that came out this year. Honestly, I feel like it's just, the quality is there, the shades are so nice, and it just works so well. Look at that pigment! And also I'm using my Sigma Roxette E40. So I'm placing this on the outer corner, and then once I have a little less on my brush, I'm gonna blend that into the crease. Okay, I also wanted to do like the softest little cut crease, but do you see how that just adds a little teeny tiny bit more definition to the eye area? But not, like, I don't want it to be like an actual cut crease, I just want a little more. So I'm doing that with this foundation palette actually from RCMA. All right, so I'm just gonna take the makeup wipe and kind of create a base for the wing that we're gonna do. All right, and then for my wing, I actually want to do a brown wing liner. So I'm going to use this M Cosmetics Illustrative Eyeliner Brush Tip in brown. And I'm just going to go, this is like a darker brown, but it still has that nice brown hue. And I want to start the wing from like the middle of the eye, because again, that's giving me like the more cat eye shape. And then I almost like tight line this inner part and bring it to a point. And just to make it super, super straight, I like to take the wipe and kind of drag it along. And that gives it that nice little boom point. All right, so I'm just gonna make it a little more matte. I started to do it on this side and I like how it looks rather than the slight like satiny finish. So I'm gonna go in with Dip Down Pro Longwear Fluidline from MAC. And then my E6 wing liner brush. And then this will also help to just make every little edge of the wing look nice and sharp. Yes. Ooh, that looks good. Look at that side. Look, honey, it's about to be a good year due to those wings. Okay, wait, you guys. I really want to talk about astrology because I'm like, this year I kind of got into like my star sign and stuff. So obviously I'm a Sagittarius and I feel like everything is so on point with like what they say, and I downloaded some apps. I have like CoStar and the pattern and stuff, and it's so accurate. Like it's scary. Like it's so weird how accurate it is. I saw this like meme. It's Beyonce, obviously we love her. But so it says all these like different traits about Sagittarius. It says best traveling companion. Nick, what do you think? You can attest to that. Yes or no? He says okay, so that's a yes. Friendliest person one could ever meet, but only for the first month of knowing each other. Jeopardizing your mental health by doing exactly everything you know is bad for your mental health. Yes. Slamming the door as the ultimate power move. Yes. Some people already spoke to me for the last time and they don't even know it. All the plans you postponed creeping up on you. Oh my God, I have never seen a more accurate statement about myself. The less I know, the better, yes. Low-key waiting revenge, sometimes, but like kind of. And short stress naps. Accurate. Sagittarius is literally me. Comment down below your star sign. Like, what are you? Because I am so into it right now, and I don't know. I just am very interested in this situation just because it's so accurate. All right, so next up, I'm gonna use this Haus Labs Glam Attack Liquid Shimmer eyeshadow. And this is in the shade Legend. I like had this vision and I wanted to do like kind of like something in the inner corner. Patrick Todd did this makeup look on Gigi Hadid and I really love this whole like inner corner situation of the glitter. Obviously I wanted to make it my own a little bit and do like a wing and then just maybe like a little less glitter but still the same vibe. That was like what inspired me for this birthday shenanigan look. So I'm gonna start right in the inner corner. Cute. I like that, actually. Very birthday. Look how freaking cute this is. I die. So this is the new Fenty Beauty Fairy Bomb Shimmer Powder in Trophy Wife. It's a little mini one. It's so freaking cute. And I think I'm just gonna top a little bit in the inner corner. Just add a real big pop, you know, little pop there. Was that some ASMR vibes? Yes, this is so pretty. I really hope this is like okay to put around the eyes. It actually goes really nicely with the Legend shade. I'm just kind of diffusing it into the upper part. That is so pretty. Yes, birthday look 2019. I'm coming for you, okay? All right, so we're just gonna go in with lashes now, and today I'm gonna be using Legendary. Well, lots of legendary situations going on. This is Unscripted Beauty Legendary, one of my favorite pairs of lashes because do you see this like curve that it has, like the shape of it? It's really pretty for getting that cat eye once again. All right, so I'm gonna take my Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation. I've been using the shade Y383. It has a really nice olivey undertone. But going back to this whole astrology thing, I don't know, I have some friends that don't feel like it's accurate and then some friends that do. All I can say is Sagittarius, from what I know, make, first of all, amazing friends and companions. And I heard something about like, you're like kind of like the life of the party. I like play this game with all my friends, and on the pattern you can like put two people. me and Nick did it, and it was hella funny because it was like weirdly accurate. It was. Nick, was it not? Yeah. It was like weirdly accurate. Come over here. Tell them. No. Come over here. No, seriously, come over here.
Stop. Though. There's gonna be like 1 million views on this one because it's your birthday one.
Nick just said there's gonna be 1 million views on this video. If this video gets to 1 million views, I swear I will give out, like, I don't even know. I'll give you guys a little present for my birthday if this gets to 1 million views. If this gets to 1 million views, I will buy 2 laptops and give them out, I swear. So get this to 1 million views. I'm just kidding. Oh my God, that would be crazy though. I feel like YouTube isn't really like how it used to be. Like, I feel like even a couple years ago, views were so different. Like, it was a lot easier to get your content seen or reached out, or I don't know, maybe my videos just suck now, I don't know. But yeah, if this video gets to 1 million, I will actually do that. I promise you guys, for my birthday month. All right, I'm gonna take the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I love this shade though because it's not too brightened. It's just a good amount. And this is the shade Sand, by the way. All right, this is one of my newest obsessions. It's a little bit, you know, luxe, but it's so good. So this is the Giorgio Armani Fluid Sheer. It's a liquid blush and it's in the shade 11. And it almost acts as like a blush and highlight because it has such a nice like reflect to it. Look at that, it's so I can't get over it. And it's like a really nice natural color, so it doesn't really look like you're putting a bunch of blush on, and obviously you can still layer on powder blush as well. Just a little flush, a little flushy flush. Sometimes I feel like I say the weirdest things, and if you're wondering if that's how I am in real life, it is. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and bake a little bit with the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. I feel like this is what it looks like on like botched You know, when it's like masked up. All right, then I'm taking my bronzer brush, the F27 Iconic Bronze from my collab with Sigma, and I'm just gonna use little circular motions to really airbrush the bronzer in. And for this step, I'm using the Bare Minerals Bare Pro Performance Wear Powder Foundation. Ugh, it looks so good. All right, so I'm gonna take this beautiful palette from NARS. Look how pretty the packaging is. This is from their holiday collection, and even the like powder themselves have stars on them. It's so cute, especially for me because I love stars. So this is the Star Scene Cheek Palette, and I'm gonna take the middle shade. I love this shade right here because it's a peachy shade, but it has some reflex in it, so it gives you like a really pretty glow. And then I'm gonna take the highlighter in the same palette on my F42 strobing fan. All right, I'm just gonna add a little bit of bronzer under the eyes, then some nude liner and a little bit of mascara. I kind of want to add a little bit of the Fenty Beauty powder under the eye just to kind of like connect it a little bit more. All right, and then Makeup Forever Mist and Fix. So I'm gonna go in with my little lip cocktail. So I'm starting off with the Strip Down lip pencil and also Cork lip pencil from MAC. And then for my lip color, I'm gonna use the MAC Holiday Collection Honey Love. It's just in special packaging, but I've always loved this lip color. It's like the perfect light nude. And you guys know I live for a light nude. Especially when it's paired with like brown lip liner like I did. I feel like it's so pretty. Last step, I'm just gonna add on some gloss. So this is the Artist Couture Plush Pout Lip Glosses in Uncensored 2.0. All right guys, so this is our finished look. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Also, happy birthday to all my Saggy brothers and sisters out there, and thank you to Amika for partnering with me on this video. As always, I love you guys so, so much. Remember, you are beautiful inside and out, and I'll see you in my next video. Happy birthday, everyone.